What is money? When did people start using money? Why is money valuable? How many euros are there? Find the answers to these and other questions at the Deutsche Bundesbank's Money Museum. Interactive monitors, videos and games give you an entertaining insight into the history of money up to the present day. Visit our treasure chamber at the Money Museum, which is full of valuable coins. Try to lift a real gold bar. Experience our spectacular 360-degree cinema. And learn how the euro system ensures that prices remain stable and why this is so important. Regardless of whether you wish to look around the exhibition on your own, attend a workshop, participate in a guided group tour, or listen to one of our lectures, the Money Museum is a varied and exciting venue that makes learning an experience. Everything revolves around money here, but you won't need any to get in or to take part in any of our activities. We look forward to welcoming you.